Whew, going for a cold plunge today. Today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about something that's super important when it comes to gaining momentum and weight loss, overall energy, hormone health, just building health in general and anti-aging. And it's something that's not really talked about a lot. I don't talk about it enough on my channel, and I want to give you a quick breakdown of why certain health attributes are so important to me. Jojo, come here. The water is icy cold and blue. Blue as it comes. There you have it. What's going on, guys? Dr. James Stirrett here. I am in my new office today. So if you missed that little spiky blue wall, don't worry, it's coming. I'm actually gonna put it in over here, kind of over on this gray wall, I think, over here. And then this is my mom's art piece over here. I've actually, she gave this to me. This has been my favorite art piece of hers, like since I was a little kid. She's an artist. Her name is Lisa Stirrett. It's been like my absolute dream to be able to, one, live on the water, raise a family on the water. This is a detached office, which is over here, which it did not look like this a few days ago. My wife and I have been putting in a ton of work in here to make it look like halfway decent enough to be able to start seeing patients in here and start shooting these videos. Today, I want to share with you guys something really special to me. Well, what does society say? What does society say? Society says, hey, you want to lose weight, you want to have better energy, you want to, feel good again in life, become the most optimal version of yourself. Well, you better buck up and start working out. Find the motivation and energy somewhere to start working out again. Go to bed on time. Start being a Boy Scout or a Girl Scout. So you need to be working out, eating right, all of a sudden eating whole foods. Change your entire life overnight. Now, some people can do this. And if you're one of those people, hats off to you. I commend you. Very few people can do what you have done. And I say hats off to you because that is an amazing feat. However, most people, they launch off in doing intermittent fasting, keto, or a workout regimen, and they don't see immediate results. They don't see immediate results like they used to maybe when they were 20. And after a month or two, and maybe they've lost like 1 pound, they don't have maybe a little bit more energy. What do they determine? They're like, the juice is not worth the squeeze. I'm working so hard. I'm not seeing results. I'm not feeling that great still have these health conditions, still have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, high blood sugar. And what do people do? They quit. And so if you are in that phase right now, if that's where you're at in your health journey, where you're feeling like you've tried everything, then I really want you to listen to what I'm saying today. So today I'm going to share with you how to get faster results in your energy, in your weight loss, in your hormone balance, in your decrease of inflammation, working on your health conditions, 10x speed than you otherwise would. Get more willpower to do the things that you know that you need to do. I want to start with a story. Just a really, really quick story, okay? Because I graduated medical school, naturopathic medical school, where I had this thought in my mind that all people needed to do was exercise, eat healthy, take a few supplements, and be coached by me on how to do this, and all of a sudden it was going to change their life. And this was incredibly naive. Like, yes, these were the right things. Those are a lot of the right elements to achieve health, but people are already in such a rut, they're already in such a divot in their life that in order to get the motivation needed to carry those things out, there was just something missing. So when I did my residency, it was under a guy named Dr. Owen Miller. And it was in Tacoma, Washington. Fabulous mentor of mine. He taught me this construct that I strongly disagreed with at first until I saw over a year thousands of patients' lives transformed. So he sat me down one day and he said, Dr. Stirrett, he said, James, patients are lacking momentum. What we do here, what our job is to give them momentum. This is the rationale behind hormone replacement therapies, testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone for women, testosterone namely for men and for women. This is the rationale behind giving thyroid hormone treatments to people with low thyroid. This is the rationale behind anti-inflammatory treatments. This is herbal treatments and supplements and stuff like that, and gut repair. This is the rationale behind today what this channel has been focusing on, what I've been focusing on as a provider with weight loss. This is the rationale for semaglutide. Now, if you are absolutely stuck in your life, emotionally, physically, tired, not losing weight, and feel like the stuff that used to work for you is not working now, then when you implement semaglutide and you give your body a little bit of an edge to start doing the right thing, getting you speed, seeing success, seeing weight loss, having that receptor, that GLP-1 receptor, that insulin receptor stimulation again. And you're doing so, and my philosophy is doing it at an extremely low dosage, a physiologic dosage, meaning you're never exceeding what those receptors would have originally, how they would have been stimulated earlier in your life, maybe when they were functioning more appropriately. Beginning with the end in mind. Getting people off of that therapy, saying, hey, let's get you healthy enough so you don't need this anymore. There's health benefits going forward if you want to stay on it. Low dose. But my personal philosophy is that why would you want to be dependent on anything? Why not begin when you start the therapy? Get yourself the speed, get yourself the momentum, and then get off the med. Titrate off the med so you no longer need it anymore. But while you're on it, make the lifestyle changes that matter. Put in the work. For those of you who are watching this and you're thinking, well, I want it to be easy. Semaglutide, hormone therapies, they make it easier, but there is still a percentage that needs to be on you. Maybe like 70-30 type of a thing. Maybe it's 80-20. I don't know. I like the 80-20 principle. I think that applies to most things in life, right? Health and wealth. Eating good 80% of the time, 20% splurging here and there. Anyways, I don't want to ramble on you. The point is don't be ashamed to do the higher force intervention. The hormone, don't be afraid to do the testosterone replacement. Don't be afraid of the estrogen and progesterone. Make sure you're talking with your doctor, obviously, to make sure it's safe. Don't find these things in the black market. But seek out these options and don't feel ashamed by them if they're going to get you the speed that you need to make the decisions and the lifestyle choices that are going to actually give you the true longevity. Don't forget, true longevity is built over time. The anti-aging that everybody wants to seek out, it's built over time by good decisions, by eating clean, eating whole foods, keeping inflammation low in the body, having a healthy amount of exercise. This is what's going to build your health over time, like a bank account, essentially. So you got money to spend. I don't want you to neglect the options out there that might gain you the speed needed to get you up out of the rut and make a healthy choice for your life. Sometimes I think that might be like the mission of my life, to try to help other doctors and patients see the value in this. So if you're seeing the value in it today, please like, subscribe. My office might look a little different next time you see me. But I will see you guys soon. There is a cheat sheet down there for hormones and weight loss that's been super helpful for people. I know a lot of patients and clients have found that valuable. So go ahead and grab a copy of that. It's free. And I will see you guys next week. Take care.